ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Komisi Pentaban Rakyat Kajing Jan Hapadeng Kajat Benriu Khasi Bat Karbi U MDC ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council U Abhijit Kro Ulapan menapat baka council kalong ke Bakloi ban Jaka Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban Shna Yaka Guest House ha Diphu Yakani U Abhijit Kro ulapan menapat ha Kajingwan bani Shimenta ha Monolith Festival 2024 kabalapan long ha Khasi Heritage Village Mauplang Upalawan ban Mikmat Yaka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Habakren ha Kajingyalang U Abhijit ulapan pau ya Kajing Kemen Baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Kalashim yakani kasen jam ban penlong yakani katamasa ban penek pensa yaka riti dustur bat kumjuru yaka culture. Nakaliang Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Ula ay kublay yaka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kabalashim yakani kasen jam ban Jaka yaka Council ban Shna yaka Guest House Jongka KHADC ban penjanai yaka jingtrekam bat kipai ba Khasi kibasa ha Karbi.
The very outset, I would like to thank the organizer of this beautiful Moonlight Festival for inviting me as a guest. And I attend today on behalf of Caribbean Autonomous Council and also the Caribbean community. The festival of vibrant Khasi culture of the Khasi Heritage Village in Mauplang, Meghalaya. The festival aims to showcase and celebrate the rich culture and heritage of the Khasi community. It is for me the first time to attend this festival, which is celebrated every year here in Mauplang. As far as my knowledge, the festival brings the uplift of the richness of the culture, the dress, the song, the dance, and that have taught us many more would encourage the future, the younger generations to preserve for us. That we showcase and celebrate today. We enjoy the pleasant nature, the food, that sustenance. And I hope and pray that this festival will continuously preserve the richness, culture of Khasi community. I won't take long, but I will tell a little bit about Khasi that are living in Caribbean Autonomous Council. I would like to brief the tell and say about the Khasi community living in Caribbean along that the KACC provide the facility that Khasi peoples need. Also, the KACC had already laid a foundation stone for the constructions of Khasi King Residence that is called Dung the one at Amser at my constituency. The Khasi guest house is to be built as soon as possible. That was requested by the chief executive member of Khasi Hills. So we will give the land in Diphu for building a Khasi guest house. Yeah. So the KCC is trying to bring the KCC and the Khasi Autonomous District Council is trying to bring a peace regarding the issue of the boundary. Also, I request the Khasi brother and sister to live as a brotherhood among us, and in all the time as we are engineers of this beautiful land.
Diphu Jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Hakani ka kenti menta ling ba kani festival ngi kentu ya ka sarkar ling ba chief minister but minister manang aisyu yangi ya ka jingkershan bangin la ban beteng ya kani festival manusnem om tang kata akawat kabasau ngin wanra eka jingtuli jong ki parado prasnam gujungi jong ka jait menrio gujungi shabar jong ka jalam ekhalia ngikwa ba shisin kasngi ki khasi gujungi ki parado prasnam gujungi ki badan keleng hagani ka than north east ngin yelong kawai bat nga ai kublai shibun ya ka karbi anglong autonomous council apo ajingelam jong abhijit kro cm bat kini ki member la churwa hangi daga jingkerpat gajungi bangin yo kawai ka Jaka angti po karbi anglong po Diphu banyo banbu ya ka office rekam jong ka Khadc autonomous district council ka jingtmu jong kani kalong bangin la ban pek ya ka bha kamiat jong ki paiba gajungi angti po ka district karbi anglong bangi kwa baki jai riu jungi kinam shu mcr kinrai kin yo men sim da ka jingdon jungi angti ru kumjo bat kumjo ru ngida angnot bawan hapo Tripura ngin yo ka Jaka hapo Agartala banbu ko office rekam jong ka Khadc autonomous district council ban pek ban kmi ya ka ka shon ka baha kamiat jong ki jat ban reu khasi ki jungi angti hapo Tripura bat ki we ki Jaka ru kumjo namar takadaw nga kentu ya pi kum kinong shonong ki ba e ka jungi jong ka ni ka ri jungi ban alam ya ka kti kamon kti ka deng ka jingkershan ka jong pi ya ka jingtrei kam ka jongi bat kumjo ru ya ka sarkar jelahi barok kowe namar ni dang sedang ban warra iki babun ki kam initiative ki policy ki babiang naga benta ka jingbha jingbet jingbiang jong pai ba jongi tinga sloban kentu hani kapor sahi sin pat iki parado prasnam jungi ki pai ba jungi tungin long kawai kum ka jai benriu nang ne shakmat